Wait, Johnny's coming.
Yep,
2,
there we go.
3.
Standard.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Jam Factory episode 18. I think he's right, actually.
I know I'm right.
We have a new box.
Verified it.
Cool product from our buddies at Zona Rotor Turbo and Robert at Force Performance. It's real heavy. We're gonna both try to pick it up. This is the new turbo for Project
Crop Duster.
Yeah, buddy. First of all, we've got our good customer Scott dropped off his 2017 GT350R, and this is going to be getting our 800R package, Motec system, and a few other upgrades as well. This is the first blue with the black stripes we've done, Trevor, is that right? Yeah, with the black roof. It's a beautiful car, super clean. It's got less than 1,000 miles on it. Scott's really going to enjoy this one. It's going to be a lot of fun for him. And then moving on down the line, we've got Ezra's 10R80. This is our 1250R package car, so this is one of our twin turbo packages. It's a built 10R80. We've got axles, fuel system. Car made a little over 1,200 horsepower to the wheels. We took it to the track. It's on a stock converter. The stock converter car just doesn't really leave the line very well, so on low boost, we were able to get like a 9.1 at like 151. So now we have a converter on the way. As soon as that gets here, we're going to put that in, turn the boost up, and then take another hit at the track. So moving on down the line here, we've got Corbin's 2018. This is a Whipple kit. We're going on this car, stock trans, stock converter. We're going to do E85, got a GT350 fuel hat going in this car. Should be tuning this in the next couple weeks. It should be good as well. Coming down this way, we've got the first 8-second GT350 car. It's also the fastest S550 chassis stick shift car in the world. This car just ran an 8.6 at 163. It's a badass car. We've got some changes coming up for that. I'm not going to tell you what we're going to be doing to it, but it's going to upset the GT350 world a little bit. We'll move on to that later. We've got Kurt's car, dubbed Slowish. Pretty much done. We've got a few things left to do to it. I'm going to pop the hood for you so you can check this one out. So you can see how beautiful this car came out. This car is not completely dialed in yet. We got all the baseline tuning done on the dyno, and the car made a little over 1,300 wheel. It's going to be going to the track here before too long. So come in there, take a little look at that stuff. Let's do that. We got a customer's Hellcat here. We just did a tune update on this. It's an E85 setup. Car made 818 when we baselined it. After tuning it, doing some transmission adjustments, getting it where the customer wanted. The car is just under 900 wheel. I think it made like 885 or 890, somewhere in there. Super clean car. Love the color on it. This is basically the same as our like 1,000R package on the Hellcats. And then this is our customer Matt's car. This is getting a clutch upgrade. We're upgrading him to the RPS triple carbon. Also doing different map sensors, turning the boost up. If you remember, this car made a little over 1,000 before, built motor, Whipple 4.5. On pretty small boost, it made over 1,000. So we're going to turn the boost up. We're putting a better clutch in it so we can launch the car. We got the drag pack on the car finally. And as soon as we get all that stuff done, it's back to the track. This is obviously a stick shift car. Built T56 Magnum, so it'll be fun to go out and see what we can get with the stick shift Hellcat. A few other customer cars sitting around here. We've got Tom, our customer that owns the 1400R that ran 8s recently, also owns a Cobra Jet car. So he just purchased this car with 0 miles on it, and we are going to do a quick dyno tune on it. You can kind of check the car out. It's obviously got some stock wheels on it for the dyno, and Johnny's going to fire it up here for you, and we're going to put it on the dyno. right, this is Gary's 1400R. We just finished tuning it over the weekend. This car is a little bit different setup than some of the other ones we've done. We did a factory exhaust from the X-pipe back on this one. This one does have recirculated wastegates. Gary wanted to keep it kind of quiet. Just want to take a second though just to show you how some of the stuff's set up on here. This is a T56 Magnum swap car, but you can see how all of our vacuum lines are, how everything's ran. We have mounts for all of the sensors, boost controllers, the wideband control boxes, our little scavenge system. Everything is really tight in here, but everything is mounted securely. It's got, you know, heat protection on it. Everything's put together very nicely. We've got the heat blankets on there. You can kind of see, you know, how the exhaust, Jeremy does a really nice job welding all that stuff. And just kind of peek around there a little bit. This car does have our Motec RPS triple carbon clutch, full 1400R package. Get the tire there.
This is the Drag Larry producer. What if it's not in the box? What if it's something else?
Well, at least we're not live. It's a box inside of a box.
Thanks, Robert.
You think he sent us a surprise?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Been in the gym lately?
Not really.
And nothing else in there. Okay.
FP.
How many boxes do you think he's in this?
Oh, there's another one in there. More foam. Hey, Johnny. Yeah.
Stop
doing that. We're on Jam Factory 18. Gosh dang, look at that. You gonna get in here, Trevor? Bam! Big old Zona.
What's wrong with the compressor wheel?
It's purple.
What? Purple?
To match all the other bling.
Here, do you want to use a knife? You know, savage it open. Oh, dang.
Man, look at that.
Why's your turbo so big?
The way I like them. Big and bulbous.
Oh, it's got the big tile housing too.
Yeah.
Look at that. I haven't even seen one of those yet.
That is a big single turbo.
Oh yeah, center section all coated.
Yep, or it won't rough like
No
everybody
rust
else's.
action.
You normally get these and they're rough like before you get them out of the box. Pretty neat.
Now what's the compressor and turbine wheel specs on this one?
This is a 96mm turbine with Robert's 80mm compressor wheel.
You got an 80mm?
I did.
Jeez, man.
Anodized purple to match all the tile bling I'm gonna put on the car.
We're gonna run like 6 pounds of boost?
45.
What a 45 make, about 1700?
Probably.
That is a hoss, man. It's quite a bit lighter than the old board that I had.
Oh yeah, those housings
the housing saved a lot of pounds,
or something like that.
You can do some cool titanium and stainless steel work on this and mount it all up all fancy.
I was gonna mold, big weld some mold steel stuff.
Yeah, right.
Strap it.
Are we gonna do, we're gonna coat your compressor housing black?
Probably.
Oh nice, I like that. I like that a lot. Got some grease on it. I'm a little disappointed Robert didn't send us a surprise in the box.
I know.
I kind of thought there was gonna be something cool in there.
Thanks, Robert.
Maybe next time, maybe next time. That's it. Beautiful turbo. Ooh. Nasty. Like
cool.
It is cool.
Where's the belt go?
No belt. Beltless. This is a beltless.
Belts belong on your pants, not on your car. Oh, it's a big bitch though.
Yeah, it is.
Hopefully that goofy little motor will spin it.
Yeah, it's not very many liters.
It is not. Turbo shaft speed sensor in
Yeah,
it.
shaft speed sensor. It's a 5-inch inlet.
Mm-hmm.
5 or like 5.5 or whatever mine was. It's a surge port though. I like the surge.
Yep.
Nice. This is the
Should
new
sound
style
cool.
race cover.
That's Robert's.
The newest one. Oh, he makes his own.
Yep.
I like that too.
They do. Somebody does.
Trick. Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode of the Jam Factory. We appreciate everything. We hit 10,000 subscribers.
10,000!
So super thankful for that. Continue to share it with your friends, pass the channel on. Make sure to like and comment on the videos. That helps us grow the channel. And we'll try to get some more puppies in there for you. And also going to keep bringing more episodes. Come here, Zoe. Got to hold on to these guys. They're a little rowdy.
Joe, get fired up. The big old nose.
But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. You guys are not very cooperative.